My name is Adam Erhart, and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. On this episode, how to build a 7-figure network. The clock is ticking. I don't like to name drop, and so that's not what this episode is about. Rather, I'm going to explain to you as quickly as I possibly can how to build a 7-figure network of your very own. Now, it may be a bit of a cliched statement in the business and entrepreneurial world, but your network really does determine your net worth. And there is absolutely no doubt in my mind that my network is very much responsible for getting me to where I am today. So there's a lot of ways to build a high value network, but in this episode, we're going to cover just one super simple tactic that I believe you can go out there and deploy as early as today. It's not sexy, it's not glamorous, but it works. And I call it the money talks strategy. Here's how it works. First, you've got to be a good person and you've got to be good at what you do, but I'm going to assume you've already got those bases covered. Next, you want to clearly identify who it is that you're trying to add to your network and start to build a relationship with. After that, buy their stuff. Pretty much any of their stuff, but higher prices tend to signify a higher level of commitment and seriousness. And lastly, use their stuff, get results, interact with their community, and make sure to let them know about the results you've been able to achieve with their content. That's really it, and it works for a couple of really core reasons. First of all, money does talk, and by investing, it shows that you're taking them seriously and willing to put your money where your mouth is. Next, actually using and implementing their stuff puts you miles ahead of the competition and catapults you onto their radar because frankly, most people don't take action. And lastly, telling them about the results you got or showing them the results you were able to achieve with their help is a massive ego boost, and who doesn't like that? So that's really it. I know you might have been hoping for something a little more glamorous or a little more fancy, but the reality is this simple strategy has done worlds and worlds of good in helping me build a very high value network and has greatly contributed to my success and the growth of my business, and I know it can do the same for you.